In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to copy a video in Echo 360. First, navigate to your Echo 360 library. In the Media drop-down menu, hover the cursor over the video that you would like to copy. Click the three dots that appear in the thumbnail of the video, then click the More Actions button in the list that appears. In the More Actions list, click the Make a Copy button. A dialog box will appear prompting you to confirm your copy creation. Click the OK button to copy the video to your library. Additionally, if you are watching a video through the Echo 360 video player, you can also copy a video by clicking the Make a Copy button in the option bar, and then clicking OK in the dialog box that appears on screen.